students. We are learning about binary arithmetics, and our last two sessions we have learned about the addition and subtraction of any two binary numbers. In this session we are going to learn about multiplication of any two binary numbers. What are the rules and how the procedure will be carried out. All these things we are going to learn in this session. So let us move towards our binary multiplication. Now, to learn about the binary multiplication, first we will go with the rules. What are the rules for the multiplication that we are going to see first? Okay. So, the rules for multiplication of binary numbers are, first rule says 0 multiplied by 0 will have the value 0. Okay. The second rule says 0 multiplied by 1 will have the value 0 again. Okay. Now the third rule says 1 multiplied by 0 will have the value 0. And the fourth rule, 1 multiplied by 1 will have the value 1. So I am going to write down all these rules on one side of the board. Multiplication rule. These are, first rule is 0 into 0 will have the value 0. Second rule, 0 into 1 will have the value 0. Third rule, 1 into 0 will have again the value 0. And fourth rule, 1 into 1 will have the value 1 into 1 will have the value 1. So all these are the rules for the multiplication. Now let us move for the examples. Now let us consider the first example for multiplication is number 1 0 1 0 multiplied by number 1 0. Okay. This is our first binary number. This is our second binary number. So how the multiplication will be carried out? First 0 will be multiplied by 0. The result will be 0. 0 multiplied by 1. The result will be 0 again. 0 multiplied by 0. The result will be 0 again. And 0 multiplied by 1 will have the result 0. Okay. Now once we have done the first part, that is multiplication from one digit, now we will move to the multiplication of the second digit. So here, as you know, we are going to put one plus sign because we are shifting the multiplication one digit on the left hand side. Okay. So multiplying 1 by 0, we will give the result as 0. Multiplying 1 by 1, we will give the result as 1. 1 into 0, result will be 0. 1 into 1, the result will be 1. Now we are going to add these two numbers as generally we are doing in a decimal number system. Okay. Now the rules for addition you all know. I will write here on one side of the board. 0 plus 0 will have the result 0. 0 plus 1 will have the result 1. 1 plus 0 will have the result 1. 1 plus 1 will have the result 0, but the borrower will be 1. And the number 1 plus 1 plus 1 will have the result 1 and the borrower will be 1. Now let us move to the addition part of this multiplication. So 0 plus none will have the value 0. 0 plus 0 have the value 0. 0 plus 1 value is 1. 0 plus 0 the value is 0. And 1 we are going to put it as it is because here no value is there. So 1 plus none will have the value 1 itself. Okay, this is the simple example of multiplication. Now this is our second example, multiplication of 1001 with 11. Okay, 1. So now we are going to multiply each digit by each digit of the multiplier. Okay, so 1 into 1 will have the value 1 by the rule 4. 1 into 0 will have the value 0. 1 into 0 will have the value 0. And 1 into 1 will have the value 1. going to shift on this side. So putting plus sign over here, I can mark it that here no number is present. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, again 0, and 1 into 1, 1. Okay. So now I am going to add these two numbers as if we are doing in a decimal number system. 1 plus none will have the value 1. 0 plus 1 will have the value 1. 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 will be written as it is. This is again the simple second example of multiplication. Now let us consider the third example of multiplication, that is multiplication between the numbers 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. So now moving further for the multiplication, 1 into 0 will have the result 0. 1 into 1 will have the result 1. 1 into 1 again we will have the result 1. 1 into 1 again we will have the result 1. 1 into 0 will have the value 0. 1 into 1 will have the value 1. 1 into 1 again 1. 1 into 1. Okay. I am doing the addition of these numbers as 0 plus none will have the value 0. 1 plus 0 will have the value 1. 1 plus 1, here the value is 0. We are going to write down 0 over there as a result, and we are going to carry forward 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1, I am going to write down the result as 0, and I am putting 1 as a carry over here. Okay. Now here I am having 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 times 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. We are going to write down the result as 1, and borrower will be 1. So the result 1 will be 1, and I am going to borrow 1 to the next digit. Okay. Now here again we are going to add the two ones. So 1 plus 1, we are going to write down 0, and we are going to carry over 1 to the next digit. So 1 plus 1, we are going to write down 0 over here, and we are going to carry over 1, and this 1 will be written as it. Okay. 1 into 0 will have the value 0. 1 into 1 will have the value 1. 1 into 1 will have the value 1. 1 into 1 will have the value 1. 1 into 0 will have the value 0. 1 into 1 value is 1. 1 into 1 value is 1, and 1 into 1 value is 1. Now going to add these two numbers, we will get the result as 0 plus nothing will be 0 itself. 1 plus 0 will have the value 1. 1 plus 1, now come to here the rule of addition. 1 plus 1, we are going to write down the result as 0, and the carry over will be 1. So 1 plus 1, the result we are going to write down is 0, and we are going to put this 1 as a carry over here. Okay. Now this 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next rule of addition, 1 plus 1 plus 1 will have the value 1, that is we are going to write down the result as 1, and we are going to carry this 1 over to the next number. Okay. So 1 will be the carry over here. Okay. Now 1 plus 1, again here the result we are going to write down is 0, and we are going to carry over 1 to the next step. So result will be 0, and carry over will be 1 to the next step, which we are going to write down as 1 over here. So the result of the multiplication of these two numbers is this number 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. Now let us consider another example of multiplication, that is 10101 multiplied by number 101. Now here we have taken the 3-digit number for the multiplication. Now continuing the multiplication with these rules, 1 into 1 we will get 1, 1 into 0 we will get 0, 1 into 1 we will get 1, 1 into 0 we will have the value 0, 1 into 1 we will have the value 1. Okay. Multiplying by this number now, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, again 0, and 0 into 1, again 0. Okay. Now multiplying with help of this number 1. 1 into 1 will have the value 1. 1 into 0 will have the value 0. 1 into 1 will have the value 1. 1 into 0 will have the value 0. 1 into 1 will have the value 1. Now we will add these numbers. Okay. Now after adding these numbers, 1 plus nothing, we will have the result as 1. 0 plus 0, result will be 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1. Now this I am going to write down here as 1 plus 0 plus 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1, we are going to write down the result as 0, and 1 will be the carryover. So 1 plus 0 plus 1, we will write result as 0, and we are going to write down the carryover 1 over here. Okay. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 3 times will give the result 0 itself. Plus 1. Now 0 plus 1, we will get the result as 1. So we are writing 1 over here, and again we are going to perform the next part. Okay. So 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1. As I told you previously, we are going to write down 0 as a result, and 1 will be the carryover for the next step. So I am going to write down 0 as a result, and 1 will be the carryover for the next step. So 0 plus 0 plus 1, we will have the result as 1, and 1 we are going to keep it as it is, because it is nothing to have for the addition. So the multiplication of 10101 into 101 will have this result here. Is it okay? So this is how we have finished with the binary multiplication. You can revise these things with the examples which are given in your textbook. Thank you, students.